Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a purge command. So let's begin the video. So I'm here in my command file. I made the ban key command in the last video. So I'm clear.js. So here I made a code snippet. I'll teach you later how to make code snippets. But till that you can copy this. Purge description. Here aliases. Clear. Tags. True. Usage. Amount. Cooldown. Let's keep 5 seconds. Let number equals to args 0 percent arg 0 if is nan arg 0, which means that if the arg 0, the first args, for example, purge 100, so this is the first arg. So if this is not a number, like something like this, so you return message.channel.send. Have to provide a variant number. If arg 0, wait, we can do number instead. If number is greater than 100 or then return message.channel.send can't delete. Because we delete more than 100 messages, we will get an error in the console log. That's why. If number is less than 1, return message.channel.send. Specify a number from 2 to 100. So yeah, that's done. Now let's do the action. Message.channel.work delete a number. Channel.send successfully deleted number. Messages. Yeah, we make this because if we type it without this, we can't, because these are also backslashes. So yeah. Here is right. No. Why? Purge. Yep, it works. Wait a minute. Why purge 1? Oh yeah. So basically nothing happens if you purge one message. It just deletes the message that we type. So we have to type bulk delete number plus 1. Yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna make this 99. Let's try it again. Let's restart it from by purge 1. So yeah, I deleted. Wait, let me just Purge 100. Purge 99. Yep. So Purge 1. So yeah, I deleted one message. I think we should make this an embed. So hashtag channel send new message embed dot set title success set description. Yeah, that's good. Um, oh, yeah, successfully deleted, and we're gonna set a green color since it is success message. Green, and we're gonna set timestamp. So let's restart it. Right. So yeah, it's in embed now. Okay, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any errors, make sure to join our support server. So yeah, peace.